Welcome to Astrotech Lab.
What is robotics? Robotics is a field that deals with the creation and designing of these mechanical humans. And robotics these days is not only restricted to the mechanical and electronics domain. Nowadays, the artificial intelligence robot is becoming smarter and more efficient with the help of computer science. Role of robotics in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has played a very major role not only in increasing the comforts of humans but also by increasing industrial productivity, which includes quantitative as well as qualitative production and cost efficiency. An artificial intelligence robot can significantly enhance these benefits by integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities. Robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, are closely related fields, and when combined, they give rise to a discipline known as robotic artificial intelligence or simply robotics in artificial intelligence. Robotics in AI involves integrating AI technologies into robotic systems to enhance their capabilities and enable them to perform more complex tasks. AI in robotics allows robots to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and make decisions based on data from sensors. This can involve machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and other AI techniques. Robots can use machine learning algorithms to analyze data, recognize patterns, and improve their performance over time. This is particularly useful for tasks where the environment is dynamic or unpredictable. AI-powered vision systems enable robots to interpret and understand visual information from the surroundings. This is crucial for tasks like object recognition, navigation, and manipulation. The combination of robotics and AI opens up a wide range of applications, including autonomous vehicles, drones, industrial automation, healthcare robots, and more. The synergy between these fields continues to advance, leading to increasingly sophisticated and capable robotic systems. How AI is used in robotics. AI plays a crucial role in modern robotics, bringing intelligence and adaptability to these fascinating machines. An artificial intelligence robot is a perfect example of how AI enhances the capabilities of robots, enabling them to perform a wide range of tasks with increased autonomy and adaptability. There are several ways in which an artificial intelligence robot utilizes AI in robotics. Computer vision object recognition. AI-powered computer vision allows robots to recognize and identify objects in their environment. Computer vision helps robots understand their surroundings, create maps, and navigate through complex environments. This is essential for autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots operating in unstructured spaces. Visual serving. AI allows robots to track and precisely manipulate objects based on visual feedback, crucial for tasks like welding, painting, or assembling delicate components. AI algorithms process camera and sensor data to map surroundings, identify obstacles, and plan safe and efficient paths for robots to navigate. Natural language processing, NLP, human-robot interaction. Robots can understand and respond to natural language commands, enabling more intuitive and collaborative interactions with humans. Voice control. Robots can be controlled through voice commands, making them accessible for a wider range of users. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze human text and speech to understand emotions and adjust robot behavior accordingly. Machine learning autonomous decision-making. AI algorithms can learn from data and make decisions in real time, enabling robots to adapt to changing environments and react to unexpected situations. Reinforcement learning. Robots can learn motor skills and control strategies through trial and error, allowing them to perform complex tasks like walking, running, or playing games. Predictive maintenance. AI can analyze sensor data to predict equipment failures and schedule preventive maintenance, reducing downtime and costs. How do robots and artificial intelligence work together? The answer is simple. An artificial intelligence robot, or AI robot, gives robots a computer vision to navigate, sense, and calculate their reactions accordingly. Artificial intelligence robots learn to perform their tasks from humans through machine learning, which is a part of computer programming and AI. Since the time self-driving cars coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956, it has created a lot of sensation. This is because an artificial intelligence robot has the power to give life to robots and empower them to take their decisions on their own. Depending on the use and the tasks that the robot has to perform, different types of AI are used. They are as follows. 1. Weak AI. Weak AI, also known as narrow AI, is a type of AI is used to create a simulation of human thought and interaction. The robots have predefined commands and responses. However, the robots do not understand the commands, they do only the work of retrieving the appropriate response when the suitable command is given. The most suitable example of this is Siri and Alexa. The AI in these devices only executes the tasks as demanded by the owner. 2. Strong artificial intelligence. Strong artificial intelligence is a type of AI is used in those robots who perform their tasks on their own. They do not need any kind of supervision once they are programmed to do the task correctly. This type of AI is widely used nowadays as many of the things are becoming automated, and one of the most interesting examples is self-driving cars and internet cars. This type of AI is also used in humanoid robots, which can sense their environment quite well and interact with their surroundings. Also, robotic surgeons are becoming popular day by day as there is no human intervention required at all. 3. Specialized artificial intelligence. Specialized artificial intelligence is used when the robot needs to perform only specified special tasks. I hope today's information helpful to you. Join us now to keep updates. See you soon. Thanks for watching.